Look what I've got. A new travel backpack. Today I will unbox this or unwrap this and give a review of this backpack, which is Osprey's Fairview 55 liters. I will be giving like pros and cons in the end. I've also done another review slash packing with Osprey Sojourn 60-liter wheeled backpack. You can check that out in the description below. I'm so excited to open this. Yay! Here it is. Ooh, it looks really nice. This is the Osprey's Fairview 55 liters. They have like Osprey Fairview and Fairpoint. The Fairview one is designed for women, designed for shorter, narrower, curved body types. I think it's cool that they have ones that are designed for women. The first thing that I noticed with this bag is that it has like a hard back, like this back here. If I put it like this, it almost looks like a suitcase. And this 55 liter is divided into two bags. It's like a Daypack and the one that you can have your carry-on luggage. Let's unattach it and just do one at a time. I chose the black color, but they have them in red, burgundy, dark blue thing, so there's different colors. So these are the two bags that makes up 55 liters in total. This one is carry-on, what is it called? Carry-on friendly? Carry-on, it fits the normal EU standard carry-on measurements. But be sure to check out your specific flight so that it fits. And then this one I think can fit as like the personal belonging. That is my plan for when I go to South Korea and Japan later this year. I'll talk more about that later. So let's do the main carry-on luggage first. So on the outside it has two straps here that you can strap the day bag onto or just for like compression. And then it has a main compartment here. Ooh, it's green inside. Cool. That's nice so that you can see the bottom actually. When you open it up, it's like a small suitcase, which is very convenient when you need the thing in the bottom main compartment. And then it has one side pocket here. It's like a netting pocket. And then it has top pocket that is also see-through here. So it only has like this main compartment and these two pockets on the side. I actually prefer this because since it's such a small backpack anyways, so it's nice to just use the entire space. This is, by the way, 40 liters and the Daypack I think is 15 liters. The back is very hard, like it's a hard shell. And then there's two straps inside so that you can keep everything that you have inside here very tight. Let's see the back. So here it opens up like a backpack. You can roll this and put it inside here so that you don't have this bothering you. You got these two to over your shoulders and then stable for the back. This is like airscape, so I read that it's like the backpack is breathing well, if that makes sense. Like other backpacks can be very close to your back so that the sweat is just like, yeah, going through everything. But this one, it's supposed to be good to avoid like that feeling of like being attached. And this one is also like foam. It's got a handle here on the side and also a handle on the top. So it's easy to like stow away in the cabinet or if you're on the bus. That's this one. Let's see the Daypack. It's got a very simple design, just black with Osprey here. In the front, it has two pockets that are like see-through netting. You can have two water bottles if you want here or other stuff that you need for easy access. Let's open it up. There's two zippers. There's one zipper here on the top that's got like a small pocket. This is good for like easy access stuff like contact lenses or whatever you need, passport. And then the main compartment is here. So this one opens up only on the top. And this also has like the green color inside. It has like one main compartment and one side compartment for computer or papers or something that needs to be flat. And also it has one pocket here with a zipper. And this one also has like this red thing. This one also has a very hard back, so you don't feel every single thing that you put in your back. So that's the two bags. Okay, so let's try the backpacks on. The small Daypack 15 liters first. Two straps here, one strap here. Oh, it's got a flute. How do you use it? Does it work? But yeah, it's got one strap here, then these for like adjustment. But that's how it looks on the back. In my opinion, it goes very high up on the neck, and it's got kind of like a different kind of shape than I'm used to. I'm used to the backpacks going more lower on my back. It's a good backpack for hiking, I think, which is what I will also be using it for when I'm going on my trip to Asia. Let's try the 40 liters. This one's got 2 for support, and then you can adjust how you want it. Like this one has got I can feel that this one is very solid. Like the support that you get from this thing here is very solid, so that's good if you're going on like a backpacking trip where there's a lot of taking different trains, walking in the streets. With this backpack, I think this one is very good for support, and also the airflow thing that I talked about, so it feels like you get some air here between so that the sweat doesn't attach to your bag. This one is good. Let's try it with the top one. Attach this one through here and here. You can attach the one that you use on your top here. You can attach to the bottom here, and then you attach these and then tighten them. Okay, so now both of these backpacks are on. I really like that you can attach the Daypack to the bigger pack. Other times I've been having like one main backpack and the Daypack like on my stomach here on the front, and that's very like, it's a lot. You feel like you're going like this, like it's just too much. So I really like that you can attach it on the back. So let's go through some pros and cons with this backpack. And also, how much was this? This was 1650 Norwegian krona. Let's start with pros. Number 1, that it's carry-on. Number 2, the 15 liters is attachable to the main 40 liter backpack. There's a lot of different backpacks out there. If you're wondering, should I buy this one or not? I think it depends on what the purpose on your trip is, or like what kind of trip it is. I'm going to South Korea and Japan for 3 weeks. I'm staying at different places, basically a backpacking trip, and then taking like a bus or train to get to the next destination. And for that purpose, I wanted a carry-on and not a luggage. So that's why I went with this one, because I wanted the Daypack as well as the main backpack, because I'm planning on going on different hikes. So then I was thinking to bring the Daypack on the hike. Another positive thing is that it opens up like a suitcase, like the main backpack. At least when you're repacking a lot and you're going to different destinations, it's very nice to not having to think about, oh, what if I put that thing in the bottom and need to take everything out. Another advantage I think is that it looks like it's good for your back, because it's got like the good support here. That means that if you fill this up and you have like a very heavy backpack, it will feel less heavy when you have good support for your back. And also, I like that you can have water bottles here. That's easy to get to, and also to like avoid it spilling. And I also like actually that it has like this top pocket here that you can have like easy access to the most important stuff. I also like that the small backpack has the PC room for like papers or PC and stuff. There's a lot of pros actually. Another pro is the handles. I do like that there's 2 stable handles here. That's the pros. Let's talk about some of the cons. With this good kind of back support, that also means that it takes more space of the actual 40 liters that the backpack has. And also, it is not that big. Like 55 liters isn't that much if you ask me. I'm not a light packer. I struggle with packing light, but that's not a fault of the backpack actually. I like that you can stow the straps away, easily stow them away. That again also means that it takes more space. The negative thing is only that when you have good quality with like the backpack and the support and stuff, that also takes space. But I haven't been using it yet. Conclusion, I am very happy with this as of now. It looks like a good backpack. If you're wondering if you're buying it or not, it definitely depends on the type of trip that you're going to and what type of plans you have for like carrying it on your back, or just getting to an airport and then just having it in your hotel room for like 2 weeks. If you know that you won't be carrying this much around, I would maybe rather just buy like a carry-on luggage if you know that you're not going to walk a lot with this one. I hope you got some useful out of this review. Like and subscribe if you want to stay tuned on upcoming videos. When I pack for the South Korea and Japan trip, then we'll see how much we can actually fit. That's it for this video. See you. Bye. Because it's very weak, if you ask me. Shorter, narrower, I can't say that. Okay, designed for shorter, narrower. Okay.